Price to sell west/so much to offer. Features 2 separate living quarters. Wood grain tile throughout 870 square feet downstairs.Stainless steel appliances, crown molding and recess lighting all accented by the cypress beams and tin ceilings. Complete with living, dining, kitchen, full bath, laundry and bedroom. Separate entry allows for income-producing potential. Upstairs features include red oak flooring and cypress countertops accented by the SLS GE Profile appliance package. 8 ceilings, crown molding and cypress wood beams create a warm and charming feel that carries over to the custom mosaic tile work in both the walk-in master shower and guest bathroom. Custom 8x20 screened-in porch features antique wood ceilings that add to the charm and character. Metal roof, hardy plank siding, corner lot, air conditioner new is 2016. Parking for 6. Open 28x21 to 10 high covered, perfect for boat storage. 1/4 a mile to Bear Point Harbor and your private boat launch. Deep water west/quick access to Pirates Cove and other popular destinations. A must-see.